In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradingView dark mode. If you've been staring at your computer screen for long hours, you're probably aware of how strainful bright screens can be. Thankfully, TradingView offers a dark mode feature that can make your experience gentler on the eyes. Whether you're tracking your favorite stocks or cryptocurrencies, enabling dark mode can help reduce eye strain and make your charts easier to read. Today, I'll guide you through this process step by step. Let's begin with the basics. First, you'll want to open TradingView and navigate to any chart of your choice. It could be a stock chart, a forex pair, or even a cryptocurrency chart, whatever you are currently analyzing. Once your chart is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will see your profile icon. It's a small avatar or image that represents your account. Give it a click, and a menu will drop down with several options related to your account settings and preferences. Next, look for a checkbox labeled Dark Theme within this menu. It's usually quite visible and easy to find among the other options. Take a moment to locate it. Turning on the dark theme is our goal. Once you've found it, simply check the box to enable dark mode. Almost instantly, you'll notice that your bright screen changes to a darker interface. The charts may not only be easier on your eyes, but they may also help you focus better without the distraction of a bright background. Using dark mode is a personal preference, but it's particularly beneficial for those who work late at night or in dimly lit spaces. The softer color palette can create a more immersive and comfortable viewing experience. While some people may find it takes a little getting used to, many users report that they prefer the look and feel of TradingView in this mode. If at any time you decide you'd like to revert to the light theme, you can do so through the same steps. Simply revisit your profile icon, find the dark theme checkbox, and uncheck it. It's as simple as that to toggle between the options, giving you complete flexibility to customize your viewing experience based on your needs and preferences. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to enabling dark mode on TradingView. With just a few clicks, you can transform your trading environment and perhaps even improve your concentration while you analyze the markets. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy trading, and take care.